Brandenburg's economics minister Jörg Steinbach has some good news about the probability of Tesla Giga Berlin's approval. I'm going to tell you what percentage he thinks the Giga Berlin will be approved this year, and also he has some advice for Tesla. He attributes the fact that the construction of Giga Berlin is so polarizing to the company's restrictive communications policies. Jörg Steinbach says, I would have liked Tesla to take the concerns of the population more seriously, he says in an interview with the Frankfurter Allgemeine Zeitung, adding that sometimes there is a lack of empathy. I can only advise any company with similar plans to explain them with greater patience. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage, and also please give us thumbs up for this video. So, economics minister says 95% probability for Tesla Giga Berlin's approval. This is the first time they're talking about with real percentages. So the car plant is as good as finished, and Tesla is already building the battery factory at Giga Berlin to build its 4680 battery, all with preliminary approvals. Brandenburg's economics minister is nevertheless confident about the final approval of Giga Berlin, but not all hurdles have been overcome yet, reports RBB 24, which is Brandenburg's public radio. So let's see which hurdles are not overcome yet. So Brandenburg's economics minister Jörg Steinbach sees the probability that the Tesla Giga Berlin factory being built in Grünheide will be approved at 95%. The SPD politician told the Frankfurter Allgemeine Zeitung on Monday. Steinbach, who is considered a great supporter of Tesla Giga Berlin project in Brandenburg, also criticized the US company Tesla. Remember, like I quoted him, he said, I would have liked Tesla to take the concerns of the population more seriously. Steinbach told RBB that he expects Tesla to be able to produce the first electric car starting from Model Y crossover in Grünheide this year if the planned hearing does not produce any surprises. This is why the Frankfurter Allgemeine Zeitung has a story published today titled Tesla's Lack of Empathy, based on economic minister's words. Steinbach, who is considered a great supporter of Tesla, has to like I said, has said that comment about asking Tesla to be more patient with the population. The public hearing will most likely start in the coming week. In the past few months, 813 citizens and associations have submitted objections such as criticism, questions or comments to the Tesla project to the authorities. These must, as stipulated by the licensing law, be discussed publicly. State Environment Minister Axel Vogel expects the discussion to begin on September 23 at the earliest. As he announced on Thursday, Tesla representatives will also have to answer questions. Now, online debate is planned over 3 weeks. The authorities had initially rented the town hall in Erkner for the discussion, but because of concerns about the virus, safety, distances, and so on, objectors, Tesla, and the responsible authorities should now exchange their arguments online, as I have reported several times before. Environmental groups criticized these plans by Tesla and Giga Berlin, saying that they want in-line, in-person meeting within the limits of the state regulations regarding this virus. So as the State Environment Ministry announced to the RBB, all objections are to be grouped into subject blocks and then commented on by Tesla and the relevant authorities. Friends, I'm hoping that these comments by Tesla and the relevant authorities to the objections will be publicly available, because this is public discussion, and then I will have also a lot of news to report once these are available, and you will know a lot of details about Tesla Giga Berlin. So please subscribe to our channel if you are here first time, so you can follow the news and you know what's happening when Giga Berlin is going to be approved, and if there is any news and updates on Tesla Giga Berlin's battery factory, which is going to be the largest battery factory with 250 to 300 gigawatt hour of capacity once it reaches the capacity where Tesla plans to produce its 4680 batteries. Now, the answers are published, the answers of these public discussions are published on the internet so that the objectors can then respond to them again by email or letter, and we're going to follow that at this Torque News channel. This is why I'm asking you to stay with us and subscribe and join our community. The Ministry of the Environment estimates that this debate will take up to 3 weeks. Only when all objections have been discussed can the authorities legally approve the Tesla factory. Now, earlier, I have reported, and I was hoping that these objections will be discussed in September, late August, early September, and then let's give it another 2 weeks for everything, for the approval process, the final meetings and so on, and the approval coming on October 9th, because on October 9th, Tesla CEO Elon Musk has announced already a tour of Giga Berlin for the local population and for the public. I think this is a very good public relations campaign by Tesla and Giga Berlin. So I was hoping that since they're doing this event, they're putting together this huge event, the approval will come right after this. But now the discussions haven't started yet. I think they're starting a week later. I read in the German media a couple of days ago, late last week. And if the approval comes, and after that, if it goes 3 weeks, so let's say 4 weeks from now, today is September, 12, 13, and 4 weeks from now will be early October, give it 1 week for the final approval. So October 9 will still be just in time, but very close. So I don't know if the final approval will come in October 9th, will be announced in that huge event at Tesla Giga Berlin during the public tour. Maybe. But the good news is that Jörg Steinbach sees 95% chance that Giga Berlin will be approved and the first vehicles will be produced at Giga Berlin this year. Now, since we talked about empathy and public relations, I want to give voice in our channel to people who oppose Tesla Giga Berlin. These are the local people. I respect them very much because these are the people whose lives are going to be affected for positive or negative. Their tranquility, their peace is going to be affected with a lot of traffic and so on. Although Tesla is building electric cars, good for environment. But at least let's see what they comment on their RBB's coverage of this topic. So one person named Trump88 comments on their RBB's this coverage and says the environmental audit was not yet available in 2021, but there was missing the hint that Tesla would have to rebuild everything if it was not approved. However, they are busy installing more powerful sewage pumps in Erkner, and the approximately 40 centimeter thick sewage pipe has already been laid a long way. I'm 100% assuming that cars and batteries will soon be built there in Grünheide. Another person named Franz Gaga says, funny the Steinbach, why should Tesla take the concerns of the population seriously if not even our politicians do that? I can't think of anything else. One person doesn't like democracy anyway. The other shifts the responsibility for the people's worries onto the shoulders of someone who wants to earn a lot of money. Aren't they elected representatives of the people? The work is the same and has still not been approved. The people of the Shield couldn't do better. And another person named Knock Fever says Steinbach told the RBB that he expects Tesla to be able to produce the first cars in Grünheide this year. It is extremely astonishing that an economics minister would make such unqualified and nonsensical statements based only on guesswork and assumptions support be carried away. In addition, Mr. Steinbach still has the opportunity to set a good example and to take the concerns of the population seriously even before Elon Musk. So these are the words from local populations, friends. Let's give them voice. I appreciate them very much and they need to be heard as well. In the meantime, Tesla's subsidies for Giga Berlin's battery factory will be decided by the end of 2021. Tesla Giga Berlin seems to be revving to start operations soon, and the company is hoping that its first German-made cars will be rolling out today. According to a spokesperson from the economy minister, on Sunday, Germany plans to decide how much state aid Tesla will receive by the end of 2021. 2021. The subsidies come from European Battery Innovation Project, with the EU Commission approved earlier this year. I have reported late last week that the state of Brandenburg already gave Tesla Giga Berlin's battery factory its fair share, 120 million euros, and Germany is going to give its own share, and the European Union's battery project is going to give its own share, and we expect the batteries to be produced at Giga Berlin sometimes mid next year, and the cars Model Y being rolled off the assembly line sometimes at the end of this year. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Friends, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Have a great day. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you, and I'll see you soon. Be kind to each other and let's love one another. This world needs so much love. Peace be with you. See you soon.